This one is a robot which is made up of thermocol, and we have a dynamo in the center, which is tied with this rubber band, two rubber band. And here is three sticks in each holes, which is of broom. And this one is a remote. This is simply based on simple machine wheel and axle. This part is wheel and this one is axle, whereas this one is wheel, this one is wheel and this one is axle. So when this dynamo makes it rotate, this will get also rotated, and these two sticks are only for balancing. More than
It is
volt.
of 6 volt.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, 6 volt, and okay, there is remote control there. How you made it?
We made upper one is
Yeah.
this rod is this with the red wire. These two wires are connected with two batteries.
Yeah.
From source of electricity. This one is for positive and this one is for negative. These two both touch this, but these two are connected with dynamo. But when these two are touched with this positive, it does not give any action. When this will go up, it will give one motion, whereas if will go down and if this will come up, then it will give.
Good. Please, can you show it once here at the ground?
My name is Sunil Rai. I live in AD in I am from Guwahati, and we got this idea from internet.
Whereas my name is Sirajan Rai, and I too read in 8D class 8D of Municipal English School, and I live in Sainik Chowk.
Okay, thank you all very much. Thank you.